How you doing, everybody? I am Scott Jelinek with the Master Investor Academy, and once again, it is Margarita Day. I am sitting here with Jay and Denise and my wife Lisa, and we are celebrating a closing that is of long time proportions, so I want them to tell you about it. First off, I want to ask you, where did the deal come from?
The deal came from our neighbor who had she does like taxes. She had a client who had a house for sale, so she brought his name to us. We met with the guy, and we finally did the close. We did the contract back this summer, and here we are in January. We finally closed.
So this was the next question I was going to ask them. This is one of the longest closings we've had. They signed the contract in July, and today is January 8th, 7th, 8th, and it finally closed, I guess, yesterday. This was a long closing because there was a lot of title issues and heirs and all kinds of fun stuff. But the biggest part about what he said, which is really important, why we wanted to share, is that how important is it that you tell everybody what it is you do? Because this actually came from speaking with a neighbor, right? It was your next door neighbor or close on your block, and telling them what it is that they do, and this neighbor referred them this deal. They gave him a referral fee and actually gave him more than what the neighbor thought they were getting. Enhances the deal that much better, so you know the neighbor's looking to get them some more deals. And so with that said, we wanted to get them their very first check for $12,000. Congratulations. Congratulations, get the first one out of the way. And it was from a referral from a neighbor. How can you beat that? So tell them, what do you got to tell them? Some words of wisdom, advice for somebody new getting started.
First of all, don't give up. Whenever you have a lead, follow the lead till the end. Remember, your neighbors could be your friends, your neighbors could be your partners, your neighbors could be your leads.
But more importantly, I want Denise to tell you a few words of wisdom.
Make sure you have that Tupperware party with wine.
All right, Tupperware party with wine. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video, and have a fantastic day.